Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. In the previous video we learned how to convert the text to two data types, geography and stock. Today we're going to learn how to customize the in-house data type by using the Power Queries editor from Microsoft Excel, and you can load your query into Excel to create your own template from your very own database. By end of this video, you should be able to design this sales invoice with your custom own database. Power Query is a data transformation and data preparation engine. Power Query comes with a graphical interface for getting data from sources and a Power Query editor for applying transformations. Because the engine is available in many products and services, the destination where the data will be stored depends on where Power Query was used. Using Power Query, you can perform the extract, transform, and load (ETL) processing of data. Let's start. First, prepare a set of master data, in this case is customer information. Ctrl+A to highlight all the customer information. Let's see the final template. We're going to have the customer info in the empty field. Go back to the Data tab and go to Data and select from Table or Range, the table we selected just now. We will at Power Query Editor page. Select all the fields you have. Go to Transform and select Create Data Type. Go to Home and select Close and load the data to Excel. We do have different type of icon for different data type. Click Refresh to update your live data. We can add some live data if you want, like the previous video for stock and geography data type. But this time we're going to bring our live data to create sale invoice template. Now we're going to insert the live link customer info to the invoice template. Place your cursor at the cell to insert customer name. Go to Data, select Data Validation. Allow the data from the table created from Power Query, and select the range of the data. Tips here, we select the blank cell upon if there's no record to select. Now the customer name are display here to select. Upon we select the customer, the other info of this customer are display in other field that we preset before. Now we going to show you the preset formula use. In the address field, put the equal sign and refer to the customer name cell. The drop-down list is show for all the customer info. Here we select the address from the list. To avoid the error show, we insert the if error formulae for all the fields. The preset formula always refer to the customer name field. Now we're going to show how the updated data reflected to the database we created from the Power Query editor. We update the customer name with Malaysia. Click Refresh to reflect the updated data. The updated new customer name is updated now upon click refresh. Unlock advanced data manipulation and analysis in Excel by learning Power Query Editor. Streamline your workflow, clean and transform data effortlessly, and gain a competitive edge in data-driven decision-making. Efficiently merge, shape, and analyze data from diverse sources with Power Query Editor. Enhance data accuracy, save time on repetitive tasks, and empower yourself with a powerful tool for data transformation and integration. accelerate data preparation and cleansing with Power Query Editor, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. Seamlessly connect to various data sources, automate repetitive tasks, and streamline your data workflow for improved efficiency and insightful decision-making.